for being there and helping me grow. Your friendship means a lot. This I'd like you to know. Never thought I'd feel this way. I had a spot inside this way. Never again, just to say. Good to believe I love you.
Sorry. Gets back to the formation, the initial formation.
Ano na nakalusot?
Kasi nabuot kandila.
And pay attention and wait for further instruction. Okay. So everybody flash the one-line formation. Patrol, at the count of 3, go to one-line formation. Okay? But when it is
Circle.
moved this way, what are you going to, wala na siguro pa. But this means form a semi-circle.
U.
Okay. Now, put the gap. Now, semi-circle. Like that. Okay?
Di ba patrol leader dapat?
Okay?
Hindi magambal lang.
You give the command. What's that? Form. This one.
Yeah.
Do it.
Form a circle.
Okay. This one. How many lines? Individual are standing side by okay. Next. Okay. What is it? Everybody. Okay, where are the patrol leaders? And
7 circles.
everybody say it. This one. This one. Okay. Oh.
All in line. In line.
Like that or away. Okay.
Down.
What are you going to do?
Sit down.
Say it.
All sit down.
All stand up. Yes.
Move faster. Come here. Faster.
May naka-double time pala nga. Commonly used, di ba? And I'm sure the children, the girls can understand it better. Okay? In the patrol corner, or maybe a vacant room in your school or the corridors of your school. Maybe this one is for patrolling guardians, that post is for hats, and then so on. And then every time you're going to do like that, then it is time for the girls to go to their patrol corners with everything that they would like to post there or to update what has been displayed. Okay? In the sample troop meeting, you have that in your notes. You look for that because you really need it when you are going to manage your patrol, your troop in the school. So there is a sample troop meeting, and then one activity there is to go to the patrol corner. And maybe the girls, they have just been in a camp or an activity. May mga posting na sila, may mga ano ganin na may mga photos na gin-shot so they can have it developed or scanned in or print in the printer, and then display it in their patrol corner. Okay? Ang namin nila sa patrol corner. Okay. You know already. Please sit down. Last, but the dot is short, last. Okay. So long blast is this. Short blast. Short long. Very good. facility ang i-flash. And mass investiture is not advisable. Hindi naman siya advisable. Pero if you have this one, and you want only to take out the girls from their classroom, at the time, hindi na kita ask for permission to take out the girls. So you can do this kind of modification. Pero it is not really advisable because we want the investiture ceremony to be significant and meaningful for the child, since she will be welcomed as a member of the Girl Scouts of the Philippines and the World Association of Girl Guides and Girl Scouts once in her scouting life. Okay, let's proceed now with the candlelight ceremony. First part.
I now light the candle to represent the
This candle
that I now light represent the first part of the Girl Scout law, which says a Girl Scout honor is to be trusted.
Light represents the second point of the Girl Scout law, which says, a Girl Scout is loyal. This candle represents the third part of the Girl Scout law, which says, a Girl Scout is helpful. This candle that I light represents the fourth part of the Girl Scout law, which says, a Girl Scout is a friend to all and sister to every other Girl Scout.
Which says, Girl Scout respect living.
This candle now I light represents the second point of the verse of it says, which says the river of the river of
Girl Scout is self-reliant.
This candle that I now light represents the 9th point of the Girl Scout law, which says a Girl Scout is free.
We will call the investing officers to come forward. Miss Kurtz, Miss Mila, Miss Glenda, Miss Glenda.
Now, may I present to you the members of my patrol who have successfully and thoroughly completed the membership and are now ready to invest.
Madam, may I present to you the members of my patrol who satisfactorily completed the requirements of membership are now ready to invest. Just a minute. Madam A. Dagao. Only see others. Pasunod ko.
Tapos na. Tapos, rin yung dahil. Accepted as a full pledge number of the Philippines and Sasayaw tayo. Sige. Pa-video nga, Alin. Pictures.
Internalized well the procedure as well as the meaning of the Girl Scout promise and law, then you can
clarification and kung meron ka siguro sample na pwede rin ikanak na namin yung
oftentimes if there is a district camp or school camp, they take that opportunity. That is the most important time to do the investiture ceremony for those who have not been invested. And you can do that, following the procedure. Anything more? No more? Yes.
Paano pag isa lang pang mag-invest? Okay lang.
Okay. You can still make the go through with the procedure. However, she will be the only one to be presented, and she will be only one to be invested by the investing officer. And you can do it yourself. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Twinklers at Star Scouts po.
Yes. Iba yun. The Twinklers have their own investiture ceremony, which is different from this one. Even the Stars have different investiture ceremony. Ang mga Twinklers yun daw may mirror. Kaya sila hindi na nakapakampangan sila. No? Tapos ma-open sila na, what can you see at the... Ay, iba niya may Star, it's a Star. It is, yes. So it is more playful and more active sa Twinklers and the Stars. You will in your handouts there are the different investiture ceremony for each age level. Only the juniors, seniors, and cadet have almost the same. Although the cadets has a more serious pledge. No, pledge. May pledge pa sila of service. Yes, so depende sa part of the law that they're going to take into account. That's the color code is. The colors of the candles are not available, so all they have to do is just to tie it with a ribbon. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Let's go to the next ceremony, the indoor color ceremony. Anong basic? Be sure na with poised the shell and elegance. And poised and elegant. And then choose the color bearers as the tallest among the four. Okay. To be at the center. Ma'am, please. Go. Okay. Now. Okay. So the tallest one will be the one, sa center, ang mga color bearers. And sa sides, color guards. You may have 4 color guards. Taas mo siya. Ako yung model ka, no? Alay? Ito ang color bearer. Okay, we have to consider the symmetry. Another volunteer here. Another volunteer. Okay. Now, for symmetry purposes, the tallest girl becomes the color guards, and they are at the center. Okay. Now, the color bearers should, although we are not allowed to practice with the national flag, for training purposes, we are going to use the poles up there, but we're going to roll the national flag. Okay. Are light, very light. Okay, they're made of aluminum, I think. Roll and shell. 13 rod. Now. Okay, pwede mo sabihin lang. Wala siya nito. Ari mo sa pito. May ipasing. Like this. Okay? Like that. So it is well supported by the shoulder and tucked at the side with your left hand. But before I forget, the color party has a sash. So as much as possible, produce a sash, and color bearers should have it diagonally across the body and tied with a square knot on the left side of the body, while the color guards will have it around their waist and tied also on the left with a square knot on the left side of the body. Okay. Why do we have to hold it like this? Kaya bisan ano kadugay ang color ceremony and how heavy the flagpole is, still the girl can bear the weight because it is well supported by this one and this one. Yes? And when we're going to sing when the pambansang awit is sung, very easy for her to give sa sila ng color. So this one must be held erect. Anytime, erect in shape. Always. Okay? So, ako na siya pag-hold na. Tap this as the key. Okay. No, this one, if you're holding this one, kagaling, diba? Diba? The flag, the national flag is always at the right, left of the observer. So, what's it? First note of the pambansang awit, Bayan Magiliw. Always steady. Okay. Ang matay ng dahil sa'yo. Yes? Yan. Very easy lang para sa girl. Hindi kita mag-follow sa girls, Boy Scouts ko like this. Okay. Okay. Do it properly. Now. Okay. So when we walk, we're not supposed to walk like the soldiers do or the Boy Scouts do. We will just walk naturally but briskly. Okay. Yes. And then medyo half step down so that you can control your movement. Even if there is no command given, you can still feeling lang, follow the procedure. Okay? So, right face, left face. Gusto ko ba gusto nila? Left face ka mo yan mo? Okay. Pwede na mag-intercolor ceremony na ma-meet sila sa center. Pwede man nga they will come from the same origin. Yes? So, kuan ng subong nga biyan ng ano ni ganyan is separate. Okay? You go up to stage. You go. Wala ka man. Sige lang. Follow lang. Without the man. Walk briskly, half lang, half steps lang para nga kung makontrol yung movement, sige, and then meet at the center. Meet at the center. Meet at the center, but see to it that your spaces, there is no space in between you. Shoulder to shoulder. Shoulder to shoulder. Center ka mo. Gravity ka mo. Center sila. Okay. Balik. Ang una ka mag-beat nila ha. So, dito ka mga nang mag-beat. Dito sa likod.
My friend.
Okay. Awesome. Okay. Pag-check nyo na siya, may iso na siya, ma-inward man ka mo step. Ma-inward step. Okay? No, come on. Simultaneous lang. O spontaneous. And then, left face, pwede na left face. Okay. Pagkatapos na, yes. Pagkatapos na yung scout style, and then down, and then right face. Right face. And then you wait. You wait up until you are in and maybe you will count 8 steps. Maybe you will count 8 before you will go down. Okay? Again. Okay, ground. Abi. Ground Abi sa punan. Okay. Ground na sa punan, mag-isot ka lang tayo. Okay. Okay, sorry. About close to okay. And then right face. Face. Okay, march forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay, yes, no? Yes. Polly. Markers. Polly, the first first ladies are the marchers. Okay, so you will take, for example, 5 steps forward, right? Balik ka, rewind. Follow part, attention. Follow party, calling. Markers, calling. Okay. Patrols behind the marker, in line of formation. Calling.
Five steps.
What's that? What's that? Okay, Mark. First, tanong hindi ko mag-ibat-ibat. Ibat-ibat na sa inyo. Okay. Pwede na siya na line formation. Pwede na siya na linya. Patrols behind the marker into railing formation. March. And then you will march like this. Ang last element for this patrol is okay, make the diagonal line. Diagonal line. No. Some Bible and some Bible. Diagonal line. So, ang tanan. The same is true with this patrol. Go. Na. Hindi ka bakalapit sa ila. Kan bakalapit. Kamuman. Okay. Lapit. It's part of the way of the sun.
Race.
Nan. Okay. Ito way man na. Nan. Okay. Patrols behind the markers into ray formation. March.
Ray formation.
Okay. Our party. Carry on. So in the outdoor ceremony, the colors or the flag may be pre-raised, meaning it is already tied in the flagpole, but it is not yet raised. Okay? Tied in the flagpole, para it will be very easy for them to do it. But if it is not pre-raised, this flag is carried on the left shoulder, until here. And then the color guards will then get the tie, get the rope, and then this one will be, rope, no? Tapos, an edge, this one. An edge niya, you hold it like that, and then tie, you make a 2 half hitches, and then ready for to be hoisted. But before doing that, the color guards will see to it that the flag is never, the tie are aligned. Wala siya nag-cross, talagang sambot. Sinalang parallel sila. And then mag-try sila gamay kung pwedeng And then be sure, color guard, that you are going to pull the string that will make this blue field on top of the red. Diba, simbilabon siya ang magbutong, kag-left ang red ang mga masakas mabaw, and you are in war. And the state of it is war. Okay. So, see to it, check, and then tie, and then when you are ready, pwede na siya nag-stay sa kay color bearer na. So, test the color guards will hold loosely the the spring so that it will not reflect up like that as it goes up. Do you understand? Can you picture? Can you picture? And oftentimes, if it is so loose, ano siya, the space yung brush yung control. So, what they will hold very lightly. Because the function of these two color bars is to see to you that the flag is safe. Okay? Okay. Pagka ready na, let's do natin no. Mag-test mo lang na. Yun na. Okay. Let's na. Okay. Remember that you're going to raise the flag fast. As fast as you can. Once it is already there, already up, okay? And then wait for the last note of the Kotarisama. Ang matay ng dahil sa'yo. Okay. You give again the string to them, and then they will be the one. Don't start feeling we're the color part. Okay. So after that, so you do inward step. Inward step. Okay. And then exit. Sige. But they will remain in the vicinity. They will remain in the vicinity. Or they may integrate themselves in their original patrol. But if they would like to be in the immediate vicinity, they will